Hello guys, in this video we are going to show you how to unlink your GCash account to your TikTok shop. Now to do this, of course, you need to be on TikTok. I paused the first video that we have here, and what you want to do next is tap on shop here on the bottom left corner of your screen beside home, like so, and you will be brought to the TikTok shop. Now, how do you unlink your GCash to your TikTok shop? It's very easy. Tap on the three lines or hamburger icon on the upper left corner of your screen, like so. And here a small pop-up will appear that says orders, coupons, messages, address, payment, and help. Of course, we want to go to payment, like so. Tapping on payment will bring you to the manage payment methods. As you can see here, we have a GCash account here. So what you want to do next is just tap on it, like so. And what you want to do next is delete payment method. You need to tap that. So tapping that will show you this pop-up, which is remove GCash. You can't pay with GCash after it is removed, but you can add it back anytime. So what you want to do next is, of course, tap on remove, like so. And there you have it. GCash is no longer linked or attached to your TikTok shop account. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.